Hey, what's up you guys? It's Annie back with another video helping you to turn your YouTube channel into a success. And I am so excited for today's video because this is a challenge I've been thrown so many times. So one question I get asked all the time is, does your advice really work for beginners? What if you don't have an established audience? Can you still grow your YouTube channel successfully? Or I also have a ton of people assuming that because my channel is about how to grow on YouTube, that is the only reason I've been able to get so many views on my videos. So I accepted you guys' challenge and I made a brand new channel with 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 content, blank slate. I did not share it on my Instagram or my Twitter or my YouTube channel, 0 promotion whatsoever. Then I uploaded a brand new video to that channel last week and used absolutely nothing but the bare bones of the channel and the video and every single piece of advice I have given you guys in my videos. And I just wanted to see if I leave this video alone on that channel for a week and do absolutely nothing to it, what is going to happen and what results might I see. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys basically every single thing that happened from the second I uploaded to where the video is at now. So step number 1 in this entire process was targeting my audience. So as I've told you guys over and over again, once you know who you're targeting as an audience, it then makes it that much easier for YouTube to know who you're targeting as an audience, which then makes it much easier for YouTube to serve your video to the right types of viewers and gain views faster. So I asked myself, based on what this video is about, who do I want to have landing on this video? What are people going to be searching up on YouTube to land on my video? What type of value or anything else is this video going to serve on YouTube? So this video is essentially what the kids nowadays are calling a fan video. So the main audience that this video is serving are fans of the show and fans of the relationship on the show. So once I had figured out who is my target audience, the next thing I wanted to know is, what are my target audience members searching for on YouTube? So as usual, as I always tell you guys to do, I did some keyword research. I pulled up my very best friend TubeBuddy and I got to doing my keyword research. So I basically typed in a bunch of keywords relevant to the content of my video and the audience I was targeting, which then as always led me to a long list of other things that my target audience is searching for on YouTube, so that I could then take every single one of those keywords and form them into a list so that I could then optimize my video for those keywords, so that I could have a much better chance of ranking my video in search for every one of those keywords and getting the maximum potential of views. So then of course, after I had done my keyword research and made a long list of all the keywords I was targeting, then came the final step of setting up and optimizing my video. So first obviously was to put in the title of the video, which needed absolutely no optimization because my title isn't really all that searchable. It's much more suited to get clicks and to gather attention. So then I filled in my tag box. So as I said in a video a few weeks ago, the tag box is no longer as important as the title or description box, but I figured that since filling up your tag box does your video absolutely no harm, what's the harm in taking literally 5 seconds to fill up the tag box with all the keywords I'd found during keyword research. So I took literally 2.5 seconds to copy paste all the keywords into my tag box to add even more metadata to my video. And then came the absolute most important part in all of the optimization and setting up the video to get views, which is the description. So when I was putting together my description box, I basically included as many of the keywords I'd researched as possible, making sure that the keywords that have the highest search volume were at the very top of the description, so that when people are searching for those keywords on YouTube, the algorithm registers those keywords within my description. And then once I had optimized my title and tag box and description, all that was left to do was add in everything like my thumbnail and all that stuff, and then I could just upload the video to YouTube and let the magic happen. So now as for how the video actually performed and how it did it get views, did it not get views, did it rank in search, all that stuff, I figured rather than tell you, I would show you how everything happened. So I'm gonna hop over onto my computer and screen record. Alright, so here we are inside of the channel dashboard of this new channel I have created. So basically just looking at the dashboard, you can see channel analytics. In the last 28 days, this channel has gained 20 subscribers, which is definitely something I was not counting on. I really wasn't expecting to gain any subscribers because after this experiment, I don't plan to actually use this channel or stay active, but the results of all the views and other stuff I gained, along with that, I also gained 20 subscribers. So going over into the content on the channel, the only video I uploaded, and going to the analytics. So as you can see here in the views, this video was uploaded on the 17th 17th of April, which was exactly a week ago. So between last Saturday and today, as you can see here, this video has gained 5.5 thousand views, 500 hours of watch time, and gained 16 out of 20 subscribers. So now as for the growth of how this all happened, where this all came from, this is actually very interesting because I was monitoring all this growth over the course of the last week and everything kind of happened in different stages. So let's change these analytics to the first day I uploaded, which is the 17th of April. So on the very first day I uploaded this video, it gained 88 views and 7.3 hours of watch time, which in itself was already pretty surprising because I had no existing audience. I did not share this on any type of social media, so I was basically starting over from scratch, and this video still gained almost 100 views in the first day. So to better understand where these 88 views came from, let's go over to the Reach tab and look at our very best friend, traffic sources. So out of the 88 views this video gained on day 1, 55.7% of those views came from YouTube search. And if we scroll down here to traffic source YouTube search, this basically tells you what people were searching up on YouTube that led them to my video. And pretty much every single one of these search terms are all keywords I had included within the description box of my video, which automatically sent me into the setup of the video to see if this video was indeed ranked in search for any of its keywords. And what I discovered was yes, actually my video was ranked number 1 or number 2 on every single keyword. So basically for any and all keywords anybody would look up relating to this show on YouTube, my video was ranked above millions upon millions of different videos. In fact, this video was actually ranked above videos that were uploaded by the show themselves on YouTube, proving once again that no matter how many subscribers or views you have, optimization is always more powerful than anything else. So now here's where things took a pretty interesting turn. Looking down here, the video gained 88 views on day 1, it gained 127 on day 2, and it gained 79 on day 3. However, overnight on day 3 is when things took a pretty interesting turn. When I went to bed on day 3, this video had 337 views, which in itself was absolutely insane. But then I woke up the next morning and it had taken a steady jump up. So what I discovered here, if we go and change this to between the first day and the fourth day, between the day I uploaded the video and the fourth day the video was on YouTube, it gained 711 views. So going over to the Reach tab of those first 4 days, not only was I still getting a lot of views from YouTube search, but I was also starting to get a lot of views from browse features, indicating to us that YouTube was beginning to push out the video. So not only was my video ranked in search and getting views from YouTube search, but it was also being recommended on people's recommended pages and getting new viewers and new potential subscribers. And then after that, basically every single day after day 4, my video continued being pushed out on the recommended page and jumped from 300 views to over 5,000 views, which then took us to the third and final stage of where all this insane growth came from. Looking at the Reach tab of the last week, the video went from getting all of its views from YouTube search to then getting split views from YouTube search and browse features to now getting the majority of its views from suggested videos. As you can see here, in the last week, 37% of all views came from suggested videos. Scrolling down here to suggested videos, over 1,800 of the total 5,000 views have come from suggested videos. So if I close this and then scroll back down to suggested videos, as you can see, these are the videos that my video is being recommended on, and the video responsible for the most growth on my video is this one here. So this video was uploaded on April 17th, which is the same day I uploaded my video, and basically what happened is as people were watching this video on YouTube, my video was over on the suggested videos panel of this video. So over 6,000 people saw my video on this video, and over 1,200 of these 6,000 people watched my video from this one. So this is why I say over and over and over again that it is so important to optimize your videos, to tell YouTube's algorithm what your video is about, because YouTube's algorithm was then able to understand this is the content this video is about. This channel and this video are targeting an audience that generally watch this type of content. So YouTube's algorithm then found other videos on YouTube that made content around the same topic as my video. Then it put my video on on those videos' suggested sections, which got me over 37% of the total traffic this video gained. So that, in a nutshell, you guys, is the origin story of how I made a brand new channel with 0 subscribers, 0 content, 0 views, and then uploaded a video that gained 5.5 thousand views in a week. So essentially the entire process was targeting my audience, figuring out what my audience is searching for on YouTube, uploading a video which was optimized for those search terms, and then getting YouTube to push out my content to gain an audience and grow the channel. So this video was in no way, shape, or form to shade anybody, but hopefully in the future when I have people questioning whether or not my advice is real or true, or if I have people who assume I've only grown my channel because I make YouTube advice videos, then hopefully this was enough proof to prove to you guys that literally anybody with any kind of channel and any size audience can 110% do and achieve absolutely everything I've done with my channel. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful or interesting in some way, shape, or form. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!